Hi everyone, it is Couponing with D and I am back with another video. As you can see, my table is full of goodies that were free, all from CVS. I have Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday sitting on the table. We're going to start with the far left corner, which is the CVS Health After Sun Aloe Vera. Now, some people were going out picking up the blue one and that was not it. On the screen, I'm going to show you which options were the ones that you were to get. But I picked up 420 ounces, and then I picked up one that was a 6-ounce squeeze tube, which is in the front. That item there was $3.29, and with the free CVS CRT, nothing paid. Now, the 4 bottles, they're priced at $6.29, so I did it in the following manner. Each bottle was $6.29. Now, the first bottle went as follows. I paired it up with the $4 free Sun Care CVS CRT. I had $1.12 in the extra buck rewards. I had a 25% off just for you, and then I had the 20% CVS Care Pass, brought it down to 69 cents. On another bottle, I had the $4 CRT, 22 cents in extra care rewards, a 25% just for you. That was 52 cents, making it $1.55. On the fourth bottle, I paid $6.29, paired $4 CRT plus 1 cent in the extra care rewards, and then I had, for some reason, 20% off CVS Care Pass, so I paid $1.45 out of pocket for that one. The last and final bottle was $6.29 as well. I used the $4 CRT, and then I used 40 cents from the extra rewards, making that $1.89. That's what you got on Tuesday. On Wednesday, we got the soft drink in the center. I picked up 5 flavors, 2 unsweet and 2 sweet. Those were priced. The unsweetened ones are priced at $1.49. With the CRT, it made them free. So I did that times 2. The other 3 come up to $1.29, and with the CRT, those were also free. Today being Thursday, we got CVS Air Shield Effervescent Formula, or the chewable tablets. Now, most people have been telling me you can't get the 32 count. You can't get 32 count. If you look at your CRT, it clearly states the 10 count effervescent or the 32 count chewable. So that's what I did. So the deal goes as follows. Each 10 count is priced at $7.59, and after the CRT, made it free. Now, it's gonna show you on your receipt, and I'm not quite sure why I did it. On 3 of my receipts, it shows $1.89 came off, and those were on the 10 counts, but clearly I didn't pay anything. I put the receipts up throughout the video. And then 2 of them, well, 1 of them for the 10 count said $7.59 came off. Go figure. I didn't pay anything for any of them though. The 32 count is priced at $7.99, and again, that was $0 paid out of pocket. This is what I have for you today on CVS Freebies. If you have any questions or comments, put them down in the comments, and stay tuned for my early insert preview video. I got Smart Source, Save, and Unilever. That's all I have for now. Until next time, see you in the next one. Bye.